ones. I like the, the nasty ones with the devils and all that kind of crazy stuff.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
This is the amount of money issued for 142,358 euros.
147,162 euro win. Woo-hoo! This was beautiful. Wow. Wow.
So yeah, the story about the restaurant, yeah? Have you ever had a situation when actually you ordering pretty expensive food, right? And it's not delicious. It's kinda, it tastes like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not what you actually expected. Come on, redemption dropped. Yes, sir. Pachinko. Pachinko. KO. Come on, the Baba power. Let's do the Baba signature for good luck. Alright, let's see that. Oh, come on, y'all. 25x. 200x. Ladies and gentlemen, let's wait till this restarts. It's not the first time it happens, right? Are you good now? Yeah, it's good. Come on, 200x, baby. Please. 200x, yes, yes, yes.
This is the amount of money issued, 697,666 euros.
Baba Power, 4,240s. Archie, huge, Rico. Top 3 winners. Enjoy, betting time is yours. Same as autoplay option. Feel free to use it, newcomers. Welcome. Right now, bets, good luck. That was a proper redemption, guys. I'm telling you, that was the redemption drop. This is what we actually.
SEC, TRT, S30 and 32. And edit. Top one is betting time. Betting time, betting time. I was like very fortunate that like in school, I had a good English teacher from early age. Then shout out Cartoon Network. Cartoon Network made my English way much better. And video games, of course. Oh, you guys, host, are very eloquent, yeah? Ooh, dang. 3x crazy time. 3x crazy time. So boom. We done did it, yeah? And it ain't no plain, no regular one. We got a little bit of spice to make it a little bit more nice. 3x crazy time. Let's do this. So here we go. First of all, apply the multiplier. Yes, sir. 3x applied. Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Decision time. Select your flapper. Choose your fate, you know. Lock in. Get yourself that big win. Let's do this. So are you ready? Max multi 300x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 66,841 euros.
Sheesh. Okay, green flappers. I see you. 300x for the green flapper. What's up? What's good? We go again. Other flapper 75x also like lovely. Can't complain at all. Amazing.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da. Ta-da. Congrats to all the winners. Well done, dear players. Congrats to winning Kaika, Mikey for being top 3 winners of this round. Now let's proceed with the next one. Bets are closed. Good luck. Now in the top spot, cash hunt we got with 5x multiplier. And yay, cash hunt back to back, but this time we got cash hunt with 5x Topslot multiplier. Double lucky, right? Let's go hunting once again. And now, wow, many 100x multipliers we got, and let's multiply them by 5 times. Boom. Yeah, the magic. Bucks multiply 500x. So best of luck, dear players. Let's go. Alright, and yeah, now it's your decision time. So pick a symbol, dear players, that you think will have that big and nice multiplier. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued 60 to 1,087 euros.
Everything is shining so nice. Yay! So congrats to the winners and to Joe winning Biharat for being top 3 winners of this round. Alright, that was love.
Mike on top of the list, so place your bets. I'm a full-time artist since 16 years old because my father is an artist. Wow, that's awesome. Hello Moon, I'm proud of you. Now the bets are closed, good luck. I'm proud of you, man. But what kind of tattoos? Because I like the horrible ones. I like the, the nasty ones with the devils and all that kind of crazy stuff. 20x for the cash hunt, can we? Can we? Oh, no. Wait. Everybody slow down. We got ourselves a 20x on the cash hunt. Woo, baby. Am I seeing this right? That's a 20x. Wait. I'm gonna just pull the lever. 2000x has the biggest one, man. Woo! Let me just calm myself down because what is happening? 2000x, 500 everywhere, 1000 everywhere. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. Whew. Man, my heart is pumping. Pick which one is your favorite because you are already all winners, baby. Already. You won a big money. Man, 20x Topslot on the cash hunt. I haven't seen that for ages.
This is the amount of money issued 163,550 euros.
Congrats, 5 players with the 2000. Man, 1,083 winners. Man, 54 players with the 1000x. Man, Ali, Sonda, Rosa, Sono, Bingo on top of the list. Now that was amazing. Okay. Well, all the numbers redeem themselves now. Bets are closed. Good.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.